What's up YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I pull out my passion twist. I have had these twists in for I've had the hair in since about the second week of March. So I've technically had the twists in for about 2 months because I got them done the second week of March. Now we're in the second week of May. But I did refresh my twist about 3 weeks ago. And I do have a video on that, so I will link it here so you guys can see. But yeah, I did refresh my twist about 3 weeks ago. But the hair itself I've had in since March. So the hair is hella messy. My hair is crazy. I have to have it tied up like this because I cannot show you guys what is really in here, because let me tell you, it's a hot mess. Okay, so I'm going to be pulling out my hair because I'm going to be redoing my passion twist from scratch. The hair store is finally open and your girl was able to get some more hair, so I bought new hair to do my passion twist. So if you guys are interested to see how I do my passion twist, then definitely stay tuned because that video will be coming out shortly. Okay, so it is the moment of truth. I'm going to show you guys what I'm twerking with underneath here. I'm even a little embarrassed to show you guys what I got going on under here because let me tell you, it's not cute. Okay, so let me just take this off. I've been trying to hide my hair in this bun all this time, and it just kills me when people say, oh my god, your hair's so cute like that. Girl, you have no idea what I'm hiding under this bandana and up in this bun. Yeah, I have no idea. So don't tell me my hair is cute, but thanks anyways. So yeah, guys, it's crazy. Like, you guys, just look at this. This is what I have going on underneath the bandana. Like, it is crazy, you guys. You wait till I take the bun down, okay? All in all, this hair was amazing. Like, I loved it. Like, the twist itself looked pretty neat. It's just the roots are kind of crazy because when I refreshed them about 3 weeks ago, I didn't have a lot of product. I was just using what I had in the house, but I needed new like gel, and I just needed new hair products, and my hair needed to be washed. To be honest, my hair has not been washed since March. So my hair needs to wash, so that's probably why my hair isn't blending well with the twist. Like, my whole head is just a hot mess, okay? It's a hot mess. So we are gonna pull this down finally so I can pull my hair out. I am going to pull it out tonight, let my hair breathe. Then I'm gonna wash it and do it tomorrow. So yeah. Okay. So this is what the twists are looking like. Let me just bring them to the front so you guys can see. I just want to show you guys, like, y'all, like, what is really going on here. Let me show you guys the back. So, you know, the hair has held up pretty well. I'm happy with the longevity of the hair, and for sure my hair probably could have lasted a lot longer if I had the right products, like all the products I needed to refresh it. Because to be honest, when I was refreshing it, the gel that I had was practically done, so I had to really scrape. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. We are going to take these twists out. So I'm just going to start off by removing these little hair jewels. I've been using the same hair jewels since March. Some of them have broken off. So this is all I pretty much had left. But when I first did my hair, I had a bunch in my hair. And I'll insert a picture here on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, my hair is just a hot mess. I'm so ready to pull this out. So ready to give my head a break and let my hair breathe for a little bit. I'm gonna do a nice deep condition and just, you know, get my hair ready to put in the next batch of twists. Okay, so I have all my little hair jewel things out now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these twists. I'm going to cut them. I'm not going to be reusing this hair. This hair is just gonna go into the garbage. So I'm gonna take my good old scissors. So I got my scissors here. So I'm just gonna take these scissors and just cut this hair. My hair is pretty short. I am growing out a short cut. I cut my hair really short about in December of 2018, and I maintained my cut until the summer of 2019, so the summer of last year. And so my hair is still pretty short. The front is long, but the back is really short, so I can cut these pretty high. This is how long the hair is. It is pretty much down to my pubic area, so I'm just gonna cut them about shoulder length. These scissors are a little bit dull. It's taking a long time to cut the hair. I'm gonna get a different scissors. This is just too slow for your girl. Okay, so I got me my kitchen scissors so I can cut these a little faster because that was just too slow for me. So, okay, let me just place this here for now. This is what it looks like short. Oh, it's kind of cute. Like, ooh. Okay, let me cut this side now. Okay, so my hair is short. So the hair is nice and short now, and this will make it so much easier for me to pull out. This is what the back is looking like. So yeah, I honestly find passion twist 10 times easier to pull out than braids, because you just have to like separate the hair and it just kind of just opens out. So what I think, I'm just wondering if I should pull them all out like this or just take out the elastics and everything too. I don't know. Okay, let me just take the elastics out since we're here. So to get the elastics out, I'm gonna use the metal part of this rat's tails comb. I did do the elastic method to do this. So here is what my natural hair is looking like at the top. It feels soft. I definitely upkept oiling my scalp. Like, although my hair hasn't been washed, I've been oiling my scalp, so my hair feels moisturized. I rather my hair feel moisturized than dry, so I'm glad it feels moisturized. So here I have 2 of them out. So I am going to continue pulling these out. I'm going to just kind of fast forward this part, and we will tune back in once the braids are out or once it's twisted up. So I will come back once all the twists are out. Okay, so I have pulled out all of my twists. My scalp and my head is free. Y'all, my hair looks a hot mess. So this is what my hair is looking like in terms of my growth, which I think is pretty good. So just show you guys, my hair's probably really dirty, so don't come for me in the comments if my hair is dirty, because duh, it's dirty. I've had this in for 2 months, but this is what my hair is looking like, and this is the back. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and detangle this, comb it out, and I'm probably gonna give my hair a deep condition. The conditioner kind of sit in my hair overnight just to help treat my hair before I wash it and everything tomorrow. So yeah, this was a video on how I pull out my passion twist. I hope you guys enjoyed or found it entertaining or what have you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, definitely give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below and tell me how long you've ever kept in braids or twists for. How long have you ever kept them in? I realistically had this in for 2 months because I did it in March, like I said, and now it's May, so I'm taking it out now. But tell me, what is the longest you've ever kept in your twist or braids for? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!